I'm Kaylee, and my friends and I are concerned about the hurricane in the Atlantic Ocean. We have a trip planned to SeaWorld that we don't want to miss, so we need to learn more about how to predict when a hurricane will strike land.
Well, you've come to the right place. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration began in 1970 to help track and predict weather and weather patterns.
We learned that to make a prediction, you sometimes use information you already have. Do you ever use the tracks of past storms?
Yes, in short terms, such as days or hours, a storm's track may be influenced by a preceding one. A hurricane churns the ocean as it moves over the ocean's surface, bringing cold water from the bottom to the top.
Oh, I get it. We learned that a storm needs warm water for energy. So if the water on the surface is cold, the storm won't be able to grow as big.
That's correct. You've definitely done your research. We use computers to show us the track of hurricanes have taken in the past as a guide to show us where the current storm may go. Historical records of hurricanes go back to about 1492, the time of Christopher Columbus. In analyzing the data, scientists have found that every 10 to 30 years, hurricanes appear to come in different numbers. This is called the decadal scale. Scientists study this record so that they can figure out where we are in the cycle. On average, the Atlantic Ocean has about 6 hurricanes per season.
Wow, that's a lot of hurricanes.
Yes, it is. And fortunately, not all of them become strong storms. Some of them don't even make landfall.
We're wondering if a high-pressure system could prevent hurricanes from falling on land.
It is possible. Think of a hurricane as a block of wood floating in a river. Where the river's currents go, so goes the block of wood. A hurricane is a storm in a river of air, which moves around the globe. The currents in this river of air are replaced by areas of high and low pressure. Since air circulates clockwise around a high-pressure system, a storm approaching it might be turned to the north or northwest.
If the hurricane does make land, how much land will be affected?
It depends on the size of the storm. Most storms are about the size of a state, 200 to 300 miles across. However, in the Pacific Ocean, there are monster storms reaching 1,000 miles in diameter.
Why are they so much bigger than those in the Atlantic Ocean?
The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean, so there's a lot more warm water for them to move over, feeding their growth.
Is there more damage on one side of the storm versus the other?
Yes, a hurricane is strongest on its right front quadrant because it rotates counterclockwise, and the speed of a hurricane must be added to its wind speed. So the right front quadrant is moving faster toward you.
I don't think we want to be on that side of the storm for sure. Thanks, Ms. Minnelli. This helps a lot.
Anytime. Good luck with your project.
Thanks so much.